Hi, actually, I'm searching the groom's mother. I don't know where is she.
Okay.
Can you please tell me?
Even I'm also searching the like a bride's mother.
Oh my God. You're
Yeah.
also searching. So you're also
Yes.
new, or you don't know anyone in the party?
No, no, I know only a bride.
Okay. Even
Yeah.
same here. We are on the same page. Even I know only groom, the
Okay.
groom one. Okay. He's my best friend actually. But
Okay.
yes, not best friend, but he's my
Mm-hmm.
close friend.
But she is my best friend.
Acha, she's your best friend. That
Yeah.
you're talking about Shika.
Yeah, yeah.
Shika's your
Shika.
best friend.
Yes.
Oh my God. So you know each and everything about them now?
Yes, yes, I know. Like they had
Oh,
a relationship of 11 years and now they are
yes.
getting married.
So you know all about that when they break up, when they patch up. You know each and everything.
Everything,
Oh my
everything.
God.
Every 2 days they are like, I'm going to break up and something like that. And after 2 days, now
Oh,
patch up.
but it's very rare now. What's your name? Can I know your name?
My name is Rani.
Oh,
Myself Rani, yeah.
my
Hmm.
name is Neha. I came from Chennai.
Okay, I'm from Delhi.
Okay, you're from Delhi.
Yes,
So
yeah.
you're staying
Hmm.
today, or you have to go tomorrow.
No, I have to go tomorrow. Like I took leave for only marriage. I don't
Okay,
get
it's
that
very
much
good
of
that
leave for
we met.
reception attend.
It's very good that we met. We'll do so many chit chats because
Of course,
I'm also alone here and there's no one who knows me, and even I don't know anyone. So we'll do chit chat
mm,
and we'll do so many chit chat over there, na? So
of
let's go,
course.
or
Hmm.
let's happen something, and simultaneously
So,
we'll do chit chat also.
of course, tell me something about like Ratan. He is going to allow her for a job in future or something like that.
Actually, day before, yeah, 2 3 days before,
Hmm.
he told her to leave the
Hmm.
job because so many politics were there, and Shikha was very upset.
I
Even
think he
he
is
told
a
me that
little bit dominating person. I personally say to
oh,
you,
Ratan is not like that only. I cannot.
but I think he is a little
Oh,
bit dominating. Don't know how can she is managing with him, but she is
yes,
going to
but
manage.
Ratan is not dominating. Even I think Shikha is having an attitude. Sometimes I
Yeah.
feel, I'm not blaming her, but
Mhm.
sometimes I feel.
I think both have some pros and cons. They both are angry birds. They both are
Yes, yes.
emotional.
Here
So
you are right, Rani. Ratan sometimes Ratan loses his anger
same
sometimes.
goes to her.
But
Same goes to
he's
her.
very good from heart. He's just like a butter. He's very
Mhm.
good from heart. He's very nice person.
Yeah.
And
They
what
are
about
like, mhm. What?
but what I think means many times means I think ki having an 11 years affair, it's
Mhm.
nowadays
Yeah, big
it's
thing.
it's very difficult to find.
Of
It's
course.
very difficult to see.
Like
And now they got
these guys
married.
are made instance for us, like nowadays generation.
Even sometimes it means I personally feel, Rani, don't mind.
Mm-hmm.
Nowadays,
Mm-hmm.
changing partner is like just like changing clothes. Nowadays,
Same.
even I personally feel, don't mind.
I'm
Uh,
on the same page.
yes. So and they got married nowadays
Mm-hmm.
this time, and even I have attended this marriage.
Mm-hmm.
I never think they will do marriage because many times, uh, sometimes he called me and said I haven't breakup.
Same goes to me. Whenever they call me, no, she said to me, I'm not going to live with him and all. I break up with him and all. And she is not going to tell me like I patch up with him. So that is the thing going.
Yes, right. But
I think
before marriage,
All
in
right,
situation was
their
different.
relationship,
ladies,
I
ladies,
saw
it
thousand.
is 5 minutes now. If you want to give it a final close, give it a final.
Of course.
Okay. So I think whatever they have done, but
Mm-hmm.
I think we have to give blessings that the marriage they will live together with means happily. And what we say, the before marriage the situation is different. We live in the dreaming world, and after that we are in the real world. So we have to give blessings only ki they'll never fight,
Hmm.
or
But I
they'll live
think
together happily only.
loyalty nowadays, loyalty and understanding matters a
Yes.
lot, and
And there is one thing I have to add,
they showed
Raja.
that thing. Yeah.
Because of trust they got
Yeah,
married.
yeah,
Because
they
of trust.
showed that thing. They are understanding, they are
Yes.
loyal for each other.
Yes,
So,
exactly,
yeah,
exactly. So Rani, can you give me your number? We'll
of
talk.
course, of course,
Okay,
I
so
can give
share
it.
your number, and we'll talk later, and we'll meet again.
Let's follow me on Insta.
You don't want to give your number?
I can give you on Insta.
Okay, okay, okay.
She wants to increase
So,
one of
okay,
the followers, you know.
Yeah,
Chalo, let's end it here. I'll first
yeah.
stop
okay,
it
thank you
here.
so much.
Thank
Mm.
you. Thank you so much. First of all, on the performance, it was really wow. बहुत अच्छा था.
Thank
And
you so much.
it started very dull. You know, Rani, when you started, I thought like, what you people are doing? But it picked up so well. You became you. So let's talk of good things. It looked very natural conversation between two, and how beautifully you came up with Shikha and Ratan also. The moment you said Ratan and the moment you said Shikha, it was so cool and comfortable. Then came, you know, वो जो आपने बहुत अच्छे से बोला रानी, both are angry birds. That was really very sweet one and prompt, you know. It was quite natural. You could talk one other few. पता है क्या हुआ? The moment our 5 minutes, नेहा मैंने बोला, time is over. Actually, people got confused. Your ending was abrupt. You people were not knowing how should I end you. So you could say, so wow, Rani, a lot of talks have happened. Let's try some snacks. So Rani says, don't try Golgappa, very bad. Pani is not tasty at all. And Tikki is yuck, them bakwas, right? So this way, you can say, all right then. Then Rani and happens to be, all right, friends, scene closes, right? एक सुंदर सी एंडिंग हो सकती थी. All together, wonderful performance and बहुत अच्छी जुगलबंदी थी दोनों की, and it was quite natural.